There has been a lot of buzz about personal branding. What is personal branding and why is it important? And does it even apply to what you do? Well, I'm going to break it all down for you in this video, along with my 4 personal branding tips. So stay tuned. Hello, if you're here for the very first time, welcome. Hello, if you're here for the very first time, welcome. This is Millie Leung from Shine to Impact TV. I share an awesome episode every single week to help you build a business and a life that you truly love. So today, I want to talk about a topic that I really love, and that is personal branding. So first thing first, what is personal branding? When it comes to personal branding, it doesn't mean that you need to have 1 million followers on social media or 1 million subscribers on YouTube to have a personal brand. You and I, we all have a personal brand right now. Yes, you have a personal brand and I have a personal brand too, because personal brand is simply your reputation. It is people's perception about you, and it is your social capital. You see, whether you realize it or not, you already have a reputation. Now, if I were to talk to 5 of your closest friends right now and ask them what they think about you, what words would come to their mind? What 3 words do you think they would use to describe you? Okay, let's do this. Leave a comment below this video and let me know, honestly, what 3 words do you think your friends would use to describe you right now? Yes, go ahead, leave a comment. I'll wait. Okay, have you left a comment below already? Great. Would they say something like you are reliable, honest, hardworking, kind, helpful, smart, friendly, trustworthy, or go-getter? Or would they say something like she likes to drink, she likes to party, and she's always late, she's dysfunctional, she procrastinates, or she's flaky? Now, whatever people are saying about you right now, that is your personal brand. You see, the human mind is simple. We can't actually store so many thoughts in our mind about everyone and everything. So whenever someone sees you, a few words always come to mind. And you want those words to be positive rather than negative, because people only buy from those they know, like, and trust. And you want to be intentional about your personal brand instead of leaving it to chance. Remember, people need to buy you before they buy from you. So why is personal branding important? Especially with what happened in the last 2 years. A lot of businesses were forced to go online, and the marketplace becomes even more crowded and even noisier. So whether you are a financial advisor, a real estate agent, a lawyer, a hairstylist, a photographer, a coach, a personal trainer, or beauty salon owner, chances are that you didn't invent your products and services from scratch. That means there are a lot of people who are providing very similar products and services than what you are selling right now. So how can you make your products and services stand out? So what you do is that you want to put you in your brand, meaning build your business around your personal brand, because you are unique and special, and there's only one of you in this whole world. These days, unless you're competing in the market for the lowest price, which I do not recommend, otherwise people want to know the person behind the brand, what you stand for, what values do you have, what are your philosophies, why you do, what is your vision, and what are your personalities like. People want to get to know you, the person behind those products and services. And when you're authentic and transparent and you showcase those elements, you can build your know, like, trust factors, stand out from the crowd, attract better quality client, and you can grow your tribe and your loyal supporters. Remember, people may come to you because of what you know, but they will stay with you because of who you are. So below, I want to share with you 4 simple tips to start building your personal brand today. Tip number 1, be known for something. Now, if you want to leverage your personal brand to build your business fast, you want to be known for your expertise. So what is your expertise? What is your niche? What is your craft that you want people to know about? You don't want to be jack of all trades, but master of none. So focus on one thing, get really great at it, build your brand around it, and be known for it. Now, if you want to know my tips on how to achieve mastery in anything fast, do check out this previous episode. It's quite intriguing and very entertaining too. I'll put a link below this video. And if you want to know how to figure out your niche and summarize it in one simple and powerful statement, you want to check out this previous episode too. I'll also put the link below this video. Okay, now let's move on to tip number 2 on personal branding. Tip number 2, be yourself. Yep, I've mentioned this earlier, but it is so important. I want to reiterate this point. To build a truly powerful and magnetizing personal brand, you need to put you in your brand. And that is why it's called a personal brand. It is personal. You want to be authentic and be honest. According to Marco Bizzarri, an authentic and honest brand narrative is fundamental today. Otherwise, you'll simply be edited out.
I'm learning to build my personal brand and I want to be authentic and tell the world about who I am and what I do. Okay, let me see, what should I do? I think I should share about what I eat for breakfast, for lunch, for afternoon tea, for dinner and supper. Also, what I do when I wake up, when I go to work, when I go out, and before I go to sleep. Everything, every minute of my day, I want to share with people so that people can really get to know me. I really feel the magic power. Yes, yes, yes. And when they get to know me, they will like me and trust me. That can help to grow my business. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, hold on a minute now, Miss Silly. You don't want to share everything about your life to the world.
Really? Oh no! That means I should delete my 3,655 posts in the last 7 days?
Okay, let me say this again. You want to be authentic and be real, but you don't need to or want to share every detail of your life with the world. Unless you're Kim Kardashian or you are a reality star, you absolutely want to draw a line and keep some privacy. Now, my point is you get to choose how much you share. Focus on sharing content that establishes trust and authority. Stories that show people what you stand for, your values, your philosophies, why you do what you do, your vision, and of course, show your personalities too. I'll talk more about that in future episodes, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell too. Okay, let's move on to tip number 3. Tip number 3, back it up with your actions. Now, like I said earlier, your personal brand is your reputation. It is what other people say about you, not what you say about yourself. So that is why you always want to underpromise and overdeliver. It is about you showing up and doing what you said you would do day in and day out consistently. When you pour your heart and your soul into your products and services, instead of just selling them to make a quick dollar, people notice. And that is how you build your reputation, aka your personal brand, on a solid foundation. And when you're known for delivering great quality and being reliable and consistent, people trust you and they're more than happy to buy from you and to give you testimonials and referrals. And let me tell you, these testimonials and referrals are gold because what other people say about you is 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times more powerful than what you say about yourself. Now, if you want to know about my strategies and tips on getting effective testimonials and referrals that build your business, do check out these episodes. I've included powerful scripts in this video, so do check them out. I'll put the link below the description as well. Okay, last but not least, tip number 4. Tip number 4, take your personal brand online. Yep, show it to the world. Listen, you could be the most talented person in the whole world, but if you're invisible online, you are losing out on a huge opportunity to grow your business and to impact more lives. Remember, when you have awesome products and services that can help people, it is your responsibility to share those with the world. You don't want to be the best kept secret in the world. Congratulations, Miss Silly. You have just won an award.
Oh, really? What award is that?
Your products have just won the award of the best kept secret in the world.
Really? Oh no!
According to Gary Vee, world-famous social media influencer and guru, it's important to build a personal brand because it's the only thing you're going to have. Your reputation online and in the new business world is pretty much the game. So you've got to be a good person, and more importantly, you've got to be out there at some level. Yep, you heard it from the man himself. So you do want to take your personal brand online. I'll share more strategies and tips about personal branding and online marketing in the next episode, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, and oh yes, remember to hit the notification bell too so that you'll be notified. And of course, I'll be really grateful too if you hit the like button and share this episode with your friends too. Now it's your turn. In the comments below, tell me this. Are you building your personal brand now? If so, how would you like to be perceived? Use 3 words to describe how you want other people to feel when they come across your personal brand. Leave a comment below this video.
Okay, I'm going to delete my 3,655 posts in the last 7 days. And from now on, I'm going to share more useful content, stories, and things that build my credibility and trust. I really feel the magic power. Yes.
You have a special gift in you. Believe in yourself and shine and impact the world in a bigger way. Remember, dream big, start small, and act now. With that said, I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Subscribe and hit the bell.